a rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this.
Hey all, Unbiased here. In today's video, we will see the best volume mixer for Windows. It's a free app on the Microsoft Store called as Ear Trumpet. So once you install and open it, you will find an icon in the system tray with the same symbol as the default volume controller present in Windows natively. You can quickly switch between your connected audio devices with just a right click on the icon. It shows you a list of all the devices along with the apps that are playing audio to the device. You can control individual app volume using this. Comes in handy in a lot of situations where you might want to just have a mild music running in the background on say Spotify and still want to have other audio playing from your browser or even in games. There is also a collapse button on the top that you can use to show app volumes only from the currently active device. Particularly useful when you have multiple audio devices connected to your system. You don't always need to click the icon on the system tray to access the volume control features. You can set up a hotkey on the keyboard to trigger this action as well. To do that, just right click on the ear trumpet icon on the system tray and choose settings. Now go into general and in the top section where it says open taskbar flyout, set a hotkey to open this screen. I have set it to the tilde key, that is the one above the tab key on your keyboard. You can also set hotkeys for other options given in the settings as well. In case you get confused with the same volume icon, you can change the ear trumpet icon to its original icon as well from the legacy settings tab. Just turn this setting on and it should be the old icon. So that was a quick video on how to get a volume mixer for your Windows system. That's about it for this video. We'll see you all next week. Thanks for watching.